Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about some dealers. We've decided to try a dealer network. We've been manufacturer direct for many years, and the phone calls and the workload has just increased so dramatically that I need a little help, I guess is the way to say it. So, excuse me. So we're looking for a brick and mortar store, because you got to have our units. You got to have a demo room, because people got to hear the technology. Once they hear it, they completely understand it. They don't even ask any questions. We bring people to our new facility here, and it's multiple channels, and they have questions when they come in, but after you press the play button, there's no more questions. It's all exclamations. It's all, oh my gosh, this sounds wonderful. So the technology really does sell itself, but you got to have a facility and you got to be set up to demonstrate the technology properly. If you're just interested in selling boxes, we're not interested in having you represent us. But if you're really interested in sound and improving the sound for your clients in their room, we're definitely interested in talking with you. I'm looking right now for an East Coast focus. I have a couple dealers on the West Coast right now, Colorado and Utah area, but I'm looking really now for East Coast. I'll definitely entertain more on the West Coast. We're not going to have a huge dealer network, maybe 4 or 5 at the most, 2 or 3 on the East Coast, and maybe 1 in the Midwest and a couple on the West Coast. I don't want to get too crazy here with the dealer network. We're very comfortable with our system, manufacturer direct, but we could use a little bit of kind of support, boots on the ground sort of situation. So that's what we're looking at right now. We will bring you to our new facility here, multiple channel facility. We also have a 2-channel room here with all our technology set up. There's over $300,000 worth of technology in this facility. So we'll give you a couple days training session on it, and contact me directly at my personal email, info@acousticfields.com, and put dealer in the subject line to jar my memory on the weekends, because at 200 and 300 emails a day, I need something to kind of categorize what you're trying to do and put you in the right slot. So looking for some dealers. East Coast mainly is our focus right now. Brick and mortar store, you have to have a demo room. We'll work with you on the demo units, pricing on those. We want you to buy the demo units. We want you to have a little skin in the game, as they say. We want you to be committed to the process. We're always available to assist your clients on an individual basis. It's not a problem. We do it every day, and we do a lot of it. But we're looking for some support on the ground on the East Coast mainly right now for the focus. So if this interests you, info@acousticfields.com, and put dealer in the subject line. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.